Hello friends, it's Danny here, Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week that I still have in my possession. This week, the Saturday Showcase is from September 30th, 2023 through Friday, October 6th, 2023. I have taken a little pause from Saturday Showcase since last month I had a video up every day, but I plan on having Saturday Showcase all this month, October 23. And then we'll skip it again in November because I will have a video every day sharing my tags, and then I'll bring it back in December. All that just to say, here we go. First one was for the Inky Paws Challenge by Newton's Nook. This current challenge is Halloween. I can't get over these little bats. I just love them. This is the Halloween trio. And there's what I did on the inside. I forgot to say that all of these cards are either on my YouTube channel or my blog, and the links are in the description box. I mean, like the link to my blog is in the description box. And then I was in Kendra's Card Challenge 12 Hop as a guest designer in sketches 14 and 15. Excuse me. It says Happy Halloween on the inside. And then Be Cool. And that's on the end. There we go. Next up was what I'm going to start calling my formula, where I take one stamp set, one paper pad, and one sketch to create 3 cards. Sending you bundles of hugs. There's the inside. Hello, friend. My fingers aren't working today. There's the inside. And sending you bundles of hugs. And there's the inside. Then I have a little tag, which made me get so excited for next month for Tag-A-Day November. I watched LV Handcrafted, or Lynn and her guests, create with some products from Cat Scrappiness. So I crafted along with them and I made these tags. All the products are from Cat Scrappiness. Love that cute little quokka. If you don't know what a quokka is, it's one of the happiest, cutest little critters there are that are from Australia. And then I did layer those, and I put You've Got Mail down there. And I think that turned out super cute. And then I ended the week with the sheetload of cards. This is November 2022. Had so much fun. It's such a unique design with that split panel. And there's the inside. Looking at it, I wonder if I should have covered that up. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm hoping, if you didn't see in my community tab, we have had a death in the family, and we will be traveling this weekend. And then next weekend, my son and his girlfriend are coming down, and we're also going to go visit my daughter so I can see her dorm room and stuff like that. So I may not have a chance this week, but maybe the following week. I am hopeful. I have severely neglected my Happy Mail list that is in the description box. I have a link to the form to fill out. So I'm hoping to get all of these in the mail for some Happy Mail. And those are all my creations that I still have in my possession for this week. I do send out a lot of things, and I don't always have a chance to get a video up, but you can always find every creation on my blog. And I think that's all I have for you. Until my next video, I hope you have a fabulous day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.